Today I'm going to show you how you can see your Google search history in just a few seconds. So let's get started. First, open any browser: Chrome, Safari, Edge, or Firefox. Now, in the search bar type google.com. If your Google account isn't signed in, make sure to sign in first. Next, tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. Now, select the option Manage your Google account. At the top, you'll see several options like Home, Personal Info, and Data and Privacy. From there, tap on Data and Privacy. Now, scroll down a bit, and under the History Settings section, you'll find Web and App Activity. Tap on it. Here, you'll be able to see all the data Google collects, such as what you've watched on YouTube, where you've been on Maps, your search history, and even your Gmail activity. Next, scroll down and tap on Manage All Web and App Activity. From here, you can filter your search history by date. Go to Filtered by Date and Product. Choose All Time or Specific Date Range, then tap Apply. Now, you'll see all your past Google searches together. If you want to delete a specific search, tap the cross icon beside it. To delete everything at once, tap Delete Results at the top right corner. Thanks for watching. Follow and subscribe for more tips and tricks.